Tired of expensive international money transfers? Let's dive into Taptap Send, your new go-to for sending money abroad. Taptap Send is a mobile app designed to make sending money across borders fast, affordable, and secure. The core purpose of Taptap Send is simple: to provide a better way to send money to friends and family internationally. Think of it as a streamlined alternative to traditional methods like wire transfers or bank transfers. You'll see the app's easy to use. To get started, download the Taptap Send app. It's available on both the App Store and Google Play Store. Once you've installed the app, you'll typically create an account, which involves entering your information. Then, sending money is simple. You choose your recipient and select the country they're in. Key features include competitive exchange rates, often better than traditional services, and low or no fees. You also get speedy delivery, with money often arriving within minutes. Plus, the app offers multiple payout options, including bank deposits, mobile money, and cash pickup, depending on the recipient's location. Security is a top priority. Taptap Send uses robust encryption to protect your transactions and personal information. That gives you peace of mind knowing your money is safe while sending and receiving funds. Whether you're supporting family, paying bills, or sending gifts, Taptap Send makes international money transfers easier and more cost-effective. That's Taptap Send explained. Consider using this app today. #TaptapExplained #Money Transfer App.